A highly pathogenic bird flu virus is tearing its way through U.S. farms and chicken yards, spreading to at least 24 states less than 2 months after the first outbreak was reported in a commercial flock. Nearly 23 million birds have died. It's the worst U.S. outbreak of the avian flu since 2015, when more than 50 million birds died. The outbreak is driving up consumer prices for eggs and chicken meat that, like many costs, had already been rising due to inflation. Here's what you need to know about the outbreak. Some birds have died from the disease itself, but the vast majority are being culled to try to stop the deadly and highly infectious virus from spreading. That includes millions of chickens and turkeys in barns and backyards that have been raised to provide eggs or meat. One of the worst hit states is Iowa, where more than 5 million birds died at an egg-laying facility in Osceola on March 31st, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Overall, more than 13 million birds have been culled in the state. As of around noon ET on Tuesday, 72 commercial flocks and 46 backyard flocks were reported to be infected around the country. It's rare for a human to become infected with the avian virus. No human infections of the highly pathogenic avian influenza, HPAI, which includes the H5N1 bird flu virus, have ever been reported in the U.S., according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The virus does not pose a special risk in the nation's food supply, either. The CDC states that like any poultry or eggs, proper handling and heating food to an internal temperature of 165 F kills any bacteria and viruses present, including any high viruses. There have been only 4 human infections of low pathogenic avian influenza, LPAI, viruses ever in the U.S., the CDC says, noting that those cases resulted in only mild or moderate illness. The first U.S. warning of the new outbreak came on January 13, when the USDA announced a strain of the highly pathogenic avian influenza virus had been found in wild birds for the first time since 2016. Many of those first cases were in South Carolina and North Carolina, and birds killed by hunters. The cases then spread north as wild birds migrated and spread the virus to farms.